Hey guys, you all welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the tips and the tricks that I use to career unlock any iPhone device. This tutorial will help you to resolve career unlock issues, network restrictions, and SIM not supported. In case you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment, and then we get started. Do not forget, this process is a temporary unlock solution, and if you want to permanently unlock your device by serial number or IMEI, you can send message on WhatsApp and I'll help you to unlock your career permanently. It could be AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, or any network. We will help you to resolve it. But these tips and tricks that I'm showing you right now will help you to resolve your SIM not supported issue. You can be able to use your SIM card as long as you want. In this process, we are going to be using a gevey SIM. Make sure you watch my tutorial step by step from the beginning to the end so that you will understand every steps that you have to take. The steps are very simple to follow and you don't have to be a genius to make this happen. Without wasting much time, let's get started immediately. Now you can see that this device shows that the SIM is not supported, and that is because the device has a career unlock issues. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to be using a gevey SIM called MKSD. This gevey SIM, we have it in different types, but we are going to be using MKSD for this tutorial. The MKSD gevey SIM looks just like a normal SIM, but this one works like a sticker. What we are going to do right now is to take off the SIM from the phone. When you take off the SIM card from the iPhone device, then you pick up the MKSD gevey SIM. The MKSD gevey SIM has a very small cell. It is a paper cell. So when you are taking off the paper cell, you take your time and make it gentle to avoid damaging the gevey SIM. And the next thing you have to do is to stick the gevey SIM onto the SIM card. Once the MKSD gevey SIM is attached to the SIM card, following my steps in the video, once it is gently attached, then the next thing we are going to do is to pick up the SIM slot and then place the SIM onto the SIM slot. The next step is to gently insert your SIM card into the iPhone device with the gevey SIM. When you are pushing in the SIM card, do not force it to avoid causing damage to the gevey SIM. Then you input your screen lock. Once you enter your SIM lock, the gevey SIM is going to give you a prompt. This prompt is the list of iPhone carrier networks. Then you select your iPhone carrier network. Mine is T-Mobile. I'm going to select T-Mobile. And once you select T-Mobile, then you go for TMSI auto method. And then you click OK. After you've done that, then you're going to wait for some few seconds and allow the gevey SIM to activate your device. This should only take you some few seconds to minutes, so let us wait and allow this device to activate. Now the device is successfully activated. Then we go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi. Once you have turned off the Wi-Fi, then you go to cellular. Now we can turn on the cellular data. In case you turn on the cellular data and it refuses to pop up, then you go ahead and turn on your roaming settings. Now you can see that this iPhone XS Max is 100% activated. Now I can use this iPhone to make calls without any network restrictions. This is the tips and tricks that I use to unlock any iPhone devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on the next video.